The number of confirmed coronavirus cases has reached 881 in Armenia on Wednesday, and another death has been recorded. According to the National Center for Disease Control and Prevention, a total of 28 new cases have been recorded in a day. 114 coronavirus patients have recovered, whereas 9 others have died in Armenia from the disease. As Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan noted, the 93-year-old person who died of coronavirus Wednesday morning was suffering from cancer. By the way, ARTSAKH's first COVID-19 patient, who is 60 years old, has been transported to Yerevan as she is in the risk zone. The citizen doesn't have any complaints or symptoms, ARTSAKH Health Minister Hagop Baltayan noted. The U.S., through the International Atomic Energy Agency, recently provided a total of $6 billion to support the agency's efforts to combat the COVID-19 outbreak around the world, including in Armenia. Accordingly, the U.S. funds will provide COVID-19 testing kits, and Armenia is receiving 2,000 such kits. Hagop Baltayan, an active member of the Armenian community of Istanbul, has died of COVID-19. The news about Baltayan's death was reported by the Sariyer District Council, which he was a member of. Hagop Baltayan also had some other illnesses. The Central Electoral Commission of ARTSAKH has summed up the results of the presidential and parliamentary elections held on March 31st. According to the Commission, there were no violations of the electoral code before and during the elections that could have had an impact on the results of the vote. Based on the results, the participants of the session decided to hold the second round of the presidential elections on April 14th and declared that day a non-working day. Meanwhile, the Commission has also distributed the parliamentary mandates. The Office of the Prosecutor General of Russia has granted the request of its counterparts in Armenia to extradite wanted ex-Armenian MP Levon Sargsyan, RIA Novosti reported. In November 2019, the Armenian police announced the detention of Sargsyan in Russia. He has been wanted by the Armenian law enforcement agencies on suspicion of robbery and participation in criminal cooperation by an organized group to steal large amounts of property.